What up? It's your girl Peach here. My channel is about natural hair. Products, tips, tutorials, techniques, anything to help you along the way in your natural hair journey. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit that notification button down below so that you can be a part of the Peach Posh crew and get notified on my latest videos. If you're interested in how I got this look, just keep watching.
The Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture product line. There are several different products, and these are the three that I use. Rinse Out or Leave-In Conditioner, Pearly Braid Out Glaze, and the Restorative Spray. The Leave-In Conditioner, it has a thick lotion-like consistency. And the Pearly Braid Out Glaze, it has a liquid gel-like consistency. Last but not least, the Restorative Spray. It has a watery consistency to it, but it does have a slight tackiness. Now, all three of these products, they all smell the same. They have a fresh, clean scent with a hint of perfume. But I would say that the spray is a little bit stronger. It's not too strong, but stronger than the rest of the products. I'll be sure to list all the places where you can buy them in the description box below. Let's get started with this video. I go in with my Lustrous Pink Glosser, 360 Mister, Denman Brush, Rat Tail Comb, Perm Rods, and an edge brush. The first thing I'm going to do is make sure it's separated and the part is where I would like it to be. Now I'm going to wet the hair, detangle it, and I'm going to apply my leave-in. This is about how much I use. I'm just going to smooth it on, rake it through, and I'm going to apply the gel using about the same amount. And if you need to, detangle a little bit more. Go ahead and two-strand twist my hair up. And if those ends do not like to curl, we can go ahead and use a perm rod for the ends. My back part I don't have that much problems with, so it'll work right now, but later, as you can see, I will have to use those perm rods. Alright, so you guys, this is the way that I part my hair. I make sure I have one at the top, two below that, and then one again, then two below that. So that's just like a brick layering type process. I only use this when I know that I'm going to wear this style out. It just makes it a lot neater and cleaner look. So in the front, you'll notice that I do flat twists for the front section. But I did want to show you guys how my hair does not curl at all in the front. So fake it till you make it, or curl it with a perm rod, and because it won't curl. Either way, just do what you gotta do to get those curls. Okay, so on my flat twist, all I do is I take a small section from the top and I separate them into two, and I begin twisting them around each other. After I do that about twice, I go ahead and start adding hair to this section. Make sure you put your gel on so that it does smooth it out. But I add hair as I go down. A little bit of hair from the left, twist, a little bit of hair from the right, twist. And just keep doing that as I go down my hair. Now, twisting is one of those things, along with braiding, just practice makes better. I'm not the best braider or twister for that matter. I just practice. Alright, so to finish off the look, I'm going to go in with my gel and just do my edges. I use the same gel that I'm styling my hair with. When you start mixing gels, you run the risk of flickage. Here you'll see me just redoing this braid or this twist because I noticed that it wasn't as tight as I would like it to be, and the tighter the better. It tends to hold its shape and form better, and you get a way better twist out. I'm gonna go ahead and sit underneath the dryer, or you can choose to let it air dry. This is day 2. I'm going to apply an oil on my hands. I'm using the jojoba oil. The oil is going to help you to ensure less frizz. And just remove those perm rods as well. Now, when I am taking my hair down, what I do is I just unravel the twist the opposite direction. When you were twisting your hair, you wanted to make sure that your pieces were somewhat even, and you just hold one piece and unravel the other one around it. Now, the part where it's flat twisted, that part is going to be a little bit more difficult to take down because you did actually add hair to it, so the pieces aren't as even. But again, the oil is going to come in handy with helping you to slip on through that. Now that I have taken all my hair down, I'm gonna add some more oil because oil is your friend. And I forgot a piece. Great. Now that I'm really done this time, I'm gonna go in and separate like a second time. This one I'm just looking more for shape. I'm gonna go in with my pick. I'm gonna go and just uplift with the pick. I do not comb out my hair with the pick. This just adds shape and helps you achieve a little bit of volume. I'm going to use the Restorative Spray now. This helps to more or less just lock in the style. I use my edge brush just to make sure that my edges are clean. And of course my lustrous pink glosser. I recommend all 3 products. They work well together. There's no flaking. And they smell good. And who don't want their hair to smell good? I know I do. Thanks for watching. Bye.